Welcome to Baz Travels. If you value these 8K immersive tours, please subscribe and like the video. It only takes a few seconds. Your support is the only way I can keep this channel going and continue bringing you these high quality experiences. Thank you for being here. Just a few blocks away from the bustling sands of the Atlantic, we find ourselves in one of the most technologically advanced and serene public spaces in all of Florida, Soundscape Park. This 2.5-acre urban oasis serves as a gateway to the New World Center, which is the home of the New World Symphony, designed by the world-renowned architecture firm West 8. The park is a masterclass in how to integrate high-tech capabilities with lush tropical landscaping to create a space that feels both futuristic and organic. The first thing you'll notice as you walk through the park are the towering white aluminium pergolas. These structures aren't for shade. They are designed to mimic the shape of the cumulus clouds, and they support a variety of climbing bougainvillea that adds bursts of vibrant color to the landscape. The winding paths and undulating green lawns invite you to slow down, but the real magic of Soundscape Park lies in its ability to bring world-class art out of the concert hall and into the public space. The centerpiece of the park is a massive 7,000 square foot projection wall on the side of the New World Center. This is where the city hosts its famous wallcast concerts, using state-of-the-art visual and audio technology. Live performances from inside the Symphony Hall are broadcast in high definition directly onto the building's exterior. But it's not just about the picture. The park is equipped with a sophisticated acoustic trellis and a massive array of hidden speakers that provide a 360-degree immersive sound experience. This means that whether you're sitting on a picnic blanket or walking along the perimeter, the sound quality is as crisp and powerful as if you were sitting in the front row of the orchestra. Soundscape Park represents a shift in how Miami Beach views public space. It's not just a place for a walk, it's a cultural venue that democratizes the arts. On any given night, you might find hundreds of people, families, students, and tourists gathering on the grass for a free movie screening or a symphony performance. It's a space that encourages community connection in a city that is often characterized by its fast-paced, high-end lifestyle. As we move through the park, you can see how the design cleverly uses the natural Florida elements. The palms are placed to catch the ocean breeze, and the layout provides a sense of enclosure and privacy, even though you're in the heart of a dense urban center. Soundscape Park is a shining example of the new Miami, a city that values innovation, accessibility, and the power of shared cultural experiences. It is a must-visit spot for anyone looking to see the more sophisticated, artistic side of South Beach.
Go to the location.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.